Hi, this is Wilson from Simply Toys TV. Today I'm going to unbox the Bearbrick Carebear Bear. So this is the latest Bearbrick in the market. As you can see, this is how it looks like. This Care Bears is a popular animated series from the 1980s and 1990s, and it comes with a lot of characters. Bear is one of the most popular Care Bear. So let me show you the box. This is the front of the box, the Bear and the other Care Bears, and says here costume version, Medicom, and on the side it just says as Care Bears, and at the bottom this comes with additional sticker as this is from the China supplier. Let's unbox this for the first time. So for all the new Bearbricks, it comes with this manual, and it teaches you how to download the Medicom app and how to scan them. So here you can see how furry is this. So it's only 400%. So this is how it looks like. It is the furry, the Bearbrick costume version of Bear. You still can hear the sound of the joint. So this is how it looks like. This is a furry Bearbrick costume version. This is the Carebear, Bear. The eyes actually look at one side, but it's actually smiling. The nose is actually like a love shape, and over here you have the rainbow. So at the bottom it got the signature love shape, and you can see the TCFC. Okay, at the back it's all furry pink. There's a love shade at the butt area, and yeah, the joints are pretty good. So this is only 400%. It doesn't come with 100%. If you are looking for a costume version Bearbrick, you should check it out at this Carebear Bear by Bearbrick. So if you have any questions, please do comment. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Happy collecting Bearbricks.